guys, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make the perfect poached egg. Look at that, anybody can make poached egg, so watch till the end. So let's get started. I've got a medium-sized egg here and a clean bowl which I'll be cracking my egg into. So carefully crack the egg into the bowl. Look at that. How good are you in cracking eggs? Just leave a comment down below. Then I'm going ahead to heat a small saucepan filled with 2/3 of water. If you're poaching more than 2 eggs, then it will be best for you to use a bigger saucepan. Bring the water to simmer and reduce the heat before carefully adding in your egg. So I'll just go ahead now and add my egg carefully into the water. Immediately put the lid on and switch off the stove. If you want your egg runny, allow it to sit for just 3 minutes in the water. But if you want it overcooked like myself, then you allow your poached egg to sit in the water for about 4 minutes. Then your poached egg is perfectly ready to serve. Look at that. Using a slaughter spoon, I'm just carefully taking out the poached egg from the water and placing on a paper-lined plate just to drain out the excess water. I'm just going to enjoy this poached egg with a slice of buttered toasted bread. So I'll carefully add my poached egg onto the bread, sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper. Then I'm ready to go with my cup of tea. This is just to take me away from the omelette and the scrambled eggs, and this is another option of you enjoying your eggs for breakfast or any time of the day that you wish. Thank you guys for joining me. If you're joining me for the first time, please consider subscribing, like and share with your friends and family, and leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Do not forget to put a smile on somebody's face.